Hello guys, so in today's video, I'm going to show you how to send images via eBay messages. First, kick off the process by opening your favorite web browser and heading over to ebay.com. This will be your starting point for reaching out to a seller. Using a desktop browser is usually easiest for this process, but you can also do it on a tablet or mobile device if needed. Sending images through eBay messages can be really useful if you need to clarify a question about a product, show a reference, or even share your own design ideas with a seller, especially if you're sourcing products for your Shopify store. Once you're on eBay, the next step is to locate the seller you'd like to message. To do this, simply search for the item they're selling and click on it. This will bring up the item's listing page with all the relevant details, like pricing, shipping information, and product specifications. Knowing the specific item helps ensure your message is targeted and clear, so the seller can respond quickly and accurately. For example, if you're looking for a supplier for a custom product, referencing the exact item makes it easier to discuss customization options. At the top of the listing, you'll find the seller's name, which is usually accompanied by some information about their reputation, such as their feedback score. Go ahead and click on the seller's name. This will direct you to the seller's profile page. Here, you'll see more items they might be selling, along with various options to connect with them. Checking out their other listings can give you a sense of the seller's range, reliability, and style. Helpful if you're trying to build a long-term relationship for your store. Look for the contact option, which is typically found on the seller's profile page. Click on it. At this point, a new page will open, presenting you with a few options regarding the nature of your message. Since your message is not about a specific item, but rather related to a general query or to share images, click on the option, "This is not about an item." Doing so lets eBay know the nature of your inquiry, which streamlines the process both for you and the seller. Selecting the right category helps avoid delays in responses and ensures your message reaches the seller in the correct context. Following this, you'll see a button or link to continue. Clicking on it will take you to the message composition page. Now, this is where you'll upload the image you want to send. Look for an icon resembling an image or a camera. This is the button you'll click to attach your photo. Attaching images is particularly useful if you need to show a sample product, a logo, or a specific design reference. It makes your message much clearer than just describing it in words. Click on the image icon and a file selection window will pop up. Navigate through your files to find the image you wish to send. Select the image and then click Open. It's important to make sure the image is relevant to your message. This ensures that the seller can understand the context of your inquiry clearly, reducing back and forth and speeding up the process. For example, sending a clear photo of a defective product or a mock-up of a custom design will help the seller respond accurately. Once your image has been successfully uploaded and attached to the message, review the entire message one last time. Make sure everything looks good, your text, the image, and any additional details you've added. This is your chance to double-check clarity and professionalism, which can make a big difference in how quickly and positively a seller responds. When you're satisfied, the final step is to hit the Send Message button. After clicking, your message, along with the image, will be sent directly to the seller. And that's it. You've successfully sent an image via eBay messages. Remember, maintaining clear and courteous communication helps ensure smooth transactions and fosters better connections on the platform. For Shopify store owners or anyone sourcing products online, this kind of professional interaction can build trust, improve supplier relationships, and even open doors to better deals or custom orders. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to the channel for more practical tips and tutorials. And hey, if you have any questions or tips of your own about connecting with sellers, drop them in the comments below. I'd love to hear from you. Thanks so much for watching, and as always, happy shopping and happy selling on eBay.